Hi, I'm Stephen, and welcome to today's quick investigation into whether a cheap ultrasonic cleaner has any chance against the soot and ash that can clog up a diesel particulate filter. And to keep it as simple as possible, this initial test will only use tap water, so no chemical interaction will get in the way of our results. So let's get straight to it. I'm using a couple of fragments from an old filter. One of them is really clogged up with ash, which in this filter is a strong red-orange colour. The other fragment has a little bit of soot in it, but only to the extent that 3 or 4 channels are actually blocked. But hopefully this experiment will provide enough information in order to decide whether it is worthwhile doing a test with a much larger ultrasonic unit and a fully intact filter. For the first test, I'm adding normal tap water, heated to 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. In goes the ceramic filter fragment, and we'll try it out for 20 minutes. During the first minute, there definitely seems to be some ash ejected out of the channels, but after that it becomes a bit difficult to see, so we'll speed this up by 100 times. Let's wash this piece off, and the result is that there is definitely some ash removal. Next we add the slightly soot-clogged piece and go through the same procedure as last time. Even though this fragment didn't appear to have that much soot in it, the colour of the water shows just how much was hiding in the ceramic matrix. We'll give it a wash under the tap and compare the before and after pictures. The couple of blocked channels are now cleared, so this is quite an encouraging result too. I think it is safe to say that this has been a successful test, considering that this ultrasonic unit is really only for jewellery and eyeglasses, and that absolutely no chemicals were used. When I do a test with a full filter in a much larger ultrasonic cleaner, I'll pin the video right here for you. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on it. Until next time.